Hi guys, and welcome to Enchanted Sparkle Crafts. Today I'm making a ribbon bow keychain bag tag. To start with, I have 1.5 inch width ribbon and I am using 45 centimeters of this. You will also need to have some 9mm ribbon, a keychain, and a needle and thread, glue gun, and a lighter. You might also find you want a couple of alligator clips too, just to hold things together. You'll see why. So to start with, I am finding my centre point. So to start with, I'm finding my centre point and I'm crossing the ribbon over. I'm doing quite like a loose X. It's not as high up and spiky as what it was in my cheer bow video, so I'm making like a nice loose X, and I'm going to clip it together either side of this just to keep it in place while I sew down the middle. I'm doing quite big stitches on this as well. I also sew back up as well, just to make sure that all the stitches are in and everything's sort of covered. At this point we can now remove our clips because they just get in the way and we don't need them to hold anything in place anymore because the stitches have done that job. We're just pulling the thread tight and wrapping it around, and that creates our perfect pinch for this bow. So just pull it all nice and tight, wrap it round. Keep it tight. As you can see, that's just formed a lovely pinch. I'm just going to put some stitches through to secure that fully. So this is what we've got so far. So now I am going to add round my ribbon around the middle. Just heat sealed that. I'm going to glue it on. At this point I am going to add my keyring on, and I'm going to just thread it through the loop. I'm keeping everything at the back quite loose just so that the keyring has good movement space. I'm just wrapping the ribbon around a bit more and I will secure that in place with some glue. And as you can see here, my keyring has really good movement and you can just thread it through and there's no sort of restrictions with that there. At this point I'm going to sort my tails out. You can either do them at an angle or you can create like spikes like that. I'm going to do mine at an angle because that's just the way I like to do them. So just snip up at an angle and then we do the same on the other side, but if we can match them up, you can see where you started your spike on the other side and you just even it out down to where your spike sort of ends. So you can just snip that at the same angle by doing that. And then we're going to heat seal our ends there. So as you can see, that's looking quite pretty. I've just got one more thing that I'm going to add on to this now, and that is this like ribbony blingy stuff that you can buy in like quite a lot of craft stores. It's quite cheap and easy to find. So I'm just trimming it down here and I'm just going to glue it on. So thank you for watching this video today. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope that it inspires you to make new things going forward in the future. If you have any requests for anything that you'd like me to make and show you how to make, please comment below or send me a message on Facebook. It's not just limited to hair bows and ribbon things. I will have a go at anything for you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thank you for watching. Bye!